It's a scam. It's just a data mining operation by Experian. And I don't use that word scam lightly, so I'm going to back it up by using information from Experian's website, from FICOscore.com, and from my 7 years of experience in the mortgage industry. But all is not lost. If you're looking to improve your credit, click the link in the description and you'll have access to my 90-minute free DIY credit masterclass. You just click the link. You don't have to put in any of your information in order to get access. Because remember, if something's free, chances are you are the product. And in this case, your data is the product when it comes to Experian Boost. Let's get into the episode. So what's Experian Boost? Let's get the information straight from the horse's mouth. Experian. Experian Boost allows you to improve your credit score and build credit history using utility, telecom, rent, and streaming service bills you pay every month. Experian Boost works by connecting to your bank and credit card accounts to find qualifying on-time bill payments, and with your permission, adding those to your credit profile. So that's where I talk about it is a data mining operation, because it's free, but it's free because they're getting access to your information, like to all your credit card information, your checking accounts, and they get to see what's going in and out. So they're saying, hey, just for you utility bills and streaming services, but they're not turning a blind eye to all the transactions you're making. Now let's see how it helps you with financing according to Experian. Once again, as long as your lender utilizes the most common version of the FICO score and Vantage score, they will see your boosted credit scores when they request your report from Experian. So a couple of things to take away from that. As long as they use these things, this will happen. Meaning that if they don't use these things, hey, it may or may not work. And also very important to note is that, of course, this only impacts your Experian score. Like, of course, Equifax and TransUnion have nothing to do with this at all. So it's only boosting one of your three scores. And so whenever you're applying for a mortgage, your lender always uses the score in the middle, right? So if this somehow worked and boosted your Experian score up 50 points, you were at like a 600, 600, 600, and your Experian score went up to a 650. The other two are still at 600, so it doesn't work there at all. But let's dive a little bit deeper on Experian's website. So they say that the credit score calculated based on FICO score 8 model, your lender or insurer may use a different FICO score than FICO score 8 or another type of credit score altogether, right? Because your lender, when you're applying for a mortgage, does not use this FICO 8 thing. And Experian knows that 100%. But they know that you probably don't know that, right? Because you don't know that there's hundreds of different score models. So what score model does your mortgage lender use? Well, let's go to FICOscore.com and to reveal the answer. So I tell you these all the time, but let's actually look at what the website says. So for a mortgage, it is your Experian 2, TransUnion 4, Equifax 5. Those are the models that your lender uses. This Experian Boost thing does not maneuver any of those. So you've done nothing as far as improving your credit score, except for give Experian access to all your financial information for some reason. And let's dive even further and see what other models are used for other type of financing. And this link will be in the description as well, so you can check yourself. So when it comes to auto lending, they use your FICO Auto Score 9 for Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. So once again, not your FICO Score 8. And let's see for credit card decisioning, they use your FICO Bank Score 9 for TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax. So Experian Boost did nothing there as well. So I'm not sure where this Experian Boost even helps you at all. All right, so let's journey back to Experian's website and see what popular bills work with Experian Boost. So we got Netflix, Disney, Hulu, HBO, AT&T, Spectrum, and Verizon. So do you think for one second that when they go into your bank account and find out that you went to the movies and just saw Black Panther, that now Netflix and Disney aren't going to have access to that information so they can market to you a little bit better? I'm not saying targeted marketing is bad, but I'm just saying that this is why Experian Boost is doing it. It's not for you because they're offering you fool's gold and they're not educating you on how your credit score works at all. So once again, if you watched this far, share this information with a friend, like the video, but most importantly, click down below and access my credit repair DIY masterclass. So that's some good information for you to actually improve your credit score, because it's not a quick fix typically when it comes to credit. But if you're all looking for a quick fix, the quickest way to improve or boost your credit score is probably your utilization. That's something that can be fixed in theory if you have the money in like 30 days. But check out the guide down below for more. And as always, buy land. Rumor has it they're not making any more of it.